How to keep your PC from getting a virus. 1. Stop replacing your PC once every 3 years. It is no secret that PC has a bad reputation. In addition to being viewed as the model that is more likely to receive a virus, PCs are seemingly built to break. According to most companies, when your computer slows down or behaves unusually, it is simply time to buy a new computer. However, in a world where everyone needs a computer to even function in the working world, most people do not have the money to buy a new laptop every few years. Fortunately for you, there are many ways to keep a PC running smoothly and safely at a low cost. 2. Install antivirus malware software. Having a program scan through your PC is a lot like going to the doctor's office for a checkup. It is important to catch any problematic files or code mutations on your computer as early as possible. Run a scan at least once a week to be fully effective. To avoid interference with daily work, consider running the software during the evening. 3. Keep your operating system, OS, updated. Updating your software can often be annoying, confusing, and obnoxious. Many people prefer to keep their layout consistent. However, PC developers release new patches regularly to fix new malware strands and security leaks. As cyber threats are always advancing, it is important to always keep your PC system up to date and secure. Additionally, updating your operating system will help your PC maintain compatibility with a variety of software and external hardware. Printers, speakers, apps, and programs all have the potential to stop functioning correctly with an out-of-date OS. 4. Keep your network secure and be wary of connecting to public Wi-Fi. All of our information, our files, our data, our printers, and our accounts are all connected within one network. Therefore, make sure your network is password protected and private. Wi-Fi is a well-documented entry point for a lot of hackers, so even broadcasting the name of your Wi-Fi network is not wise. In fact, it is best to use an inconspicuous name, one that does not explicitly broadcast who you are.